Got the Candy Mountain foxgloves. Got 2 of those. And you got raspberries. Can't believe how big the Artemisia have gotten. I actually did an update on some of those roses on my Instagram. I will put a, not a link, but I will put a link as well in the description below, but I'll put my username right here for you guys on Instagram. So for those of you who don't follow me, you can. This is the Autumn Blizzard Clematis. And these are the Little Bang Starlight Coreopsis. The rock garden here. Everything is listed in the rock garden video and other videos, so I'm not gonna go ahead and name everything. These are cobwebs. These were named in the last video. I believe it's the curly willow planted and lots of flowers video. We bought these in the last video we did. These are heuchera. I'm not sure. Blackout, I think, is the name of these. This is the clematis, that's purple. It's my Winnie girl. I don't know if you can see her. Winnie! Hi! She says hello. This is the Silver Scrolls heuchera, which I am absolutely obsessed with, you guys. I love this. This is a little hosta right here, some ferns. We grabbed those ferns from Jeremy's aunt, still haven't planted them yet. So when we first got this, there weren't really any blooms on it, and now there's a couple more. It's starting to look really good. Look at this one. This one's beautiful. I still have to get a shot of it in bloom, both of them, especially this one when it's healthy, but all in good time. And some strawberries right here. Jeremy has been weed whacking this area, and I have tried Roundup on this area for weeds. These weeds are serious. It's really hard to get rid of them. This is a Rosa Sharon, and that's also a Rosa Sharon right there. Irises. This is a purple salvia, some grass, peonies, bee balm, some more right there. This is an aster. This was actually sick. I'll give you guys the description for this aster down below. These are chives, and that's a hosta. This cedar tree here we did not plant, that planted itself. Jeremy did plant the hosta in it. Some more irises and some black-eyed Susans. Maple tree that I love, Japanese maple tree, some cone flowers. Not sure the variety on that one, but this one is the sombrero. I'll put it down over here. This is a bee balm. The blooms on it are absolutely beautiful. This video does them no justice. The white flower is a Veronica, and this purple one is a Liatris. It's another ornamental grass. This is the sunflower in bloom. Sparkleberry here. Look at that sunflower. Beautiful. This is my favorite rose. This is the Chicago Peace. This is the Wheels of Wonder ice plant in orange when it's in bloom. And although one bloom, that's the violet one. I just wanted to give you guys a look at some of those things that I wasn't able to show you in the video because they weren't in bloom at the time. This is an amazing sunset we're going to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.